Good morning and welcome to Darlene's Junk Journals and More. This is the second of the two journals that I made for the March 2023 Dear Julie challenge on her on her channel. And this one is my Red Paris journal, and so without further ado, I will get started. This is made with the Red Paris kit that is for Patreons, and it's made with some other elements that I had from this was one I was finishing, so it's also got some other elements in it. And so this is, I'll just quickly go through this. I'm almost losing my voice, so I think I'm just gonna show you the journal without doing much talking. This is the tattoo element. This is some Braille paper that I got from Big Mama. Waterfall element. Top tuck. This is the Zorro tag for this one. Oh, this one won't stick. on something. Anyway, it does come out. This is a big tag with a pocket. One of my fabric pockets. This is one of the tags with the job. Some of the washi tape from Kelly. That was in my very first Happy Mail ever. And this is one of the Zorro pockets that I did on a really small, or Zorro tags that I did on a really small piece of paper. And so I just attached it there and made it as a little mini pocket. This is a flip. I hope I'm still in frame. I'm trying to devise some way of seeing whether I am. This is a teeny tiny pocket with a card in it. This is my layered belly band. I love how she's just kind of hanging there, holding there. You can see her there. She's kind of holding, just barely hanging on to that postcard. You can see there. Anyway, this is the accordion pocket. That's just held on there by a paper clip. And this is a top tuck. Or no, that's the other side of the paper clip. Well, that's the paper clip that I made with the long piece on it. Okay, and this is another tag with a job. I made it a flip out tag. I used one of Julie's triple, and then just cut along the edge there and followed the lace. And then on this side, just added the some paper to make a little pocket. I really like how that turned out. Some more of that vellum. This is the corner tuck that I made with the, and this one's a double corner tuck because this one's got an extra pocket there. I made those last month too. Have passport will travel. And then the bride sticking her head out there. And this comes out this way too. I was going to put glossy accents on the front of this one. I couldn't find them. So I've got to find them before I can finish this. The front of this album or journal. Okay, this is another one of the hidden journaling spots for this one. It's so hidden I can't find it myself. I think it's, oh, there we go. It's tried to glue itself shut. That's what's happened right there. The lace has tried to glue itself down. But it does open. It's not glued shut. Okay. There we go. Okay, so, and that's one of the hidden paper clips. Now, where was that? I mean, hidden journaling spots. Sorry, not hidden paper clips. How can you tell? Too early in the day. Okay. And this is a hidden tag because it's in the top of my pocket. Okay. And that's a double tuck. And that's an extra double tuck. And here's the extra, another, this is supposed to be in there. It doesn't stay there. It's supposed to be going this way. It won't stay. This is the flip, fabric flip. Oh, let's just tuck this in here. I have to find something else to put in that other one. It's a fabric flip. And I added gemstones and lace and trim to that. And I did one of Julie's antique ribbon techniques to hold it on there, and then glued it down. And it's over gift bag. Gift bag is into the, this is the other side of the gift bag. I thought that was so pretty. And one of Dad's envelopes. And then that's the other side of that envelope. Oh, I'm getting way off kilter here. You can see that. And it's just, we're coming to the end of this. And so thank you for anybody that's still with me after all of this. And so this is just collaged over to make a little pocket on this back page, ready for something. And that is the end of the Red Paris one. And I have one more journal that I will just show you the cover of. If I can find where I put it now. Where did I put it? Maybe oh, here it is. And this is the other journal that I made. That this one doesn't have all the rules done, and it see what I mean, this one went too rounded, so it wants to stay rounded all the time because I used a different glue, or maybe it was just that I used too much, that it was too much paper for the amount of signatures I had. I'm not sure, but this was the third Paris one that I made. So, and it's Paris in pink, so it's all pink because I had so much Paris stuff by the time I finally got my Paris journals started and finished that. And last month I actually did a Paris journal as well. So I actually had 4 different Paris ones, and each one is totally unique. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you to all my subscribers and new subscribers, and for anybody that's still sticking out to even see what I'm doing. And I hope that you will join us for the April challenge. I already know what it's going to be, and I think it's going to be a good one. I'm hoping I'm going to be able to complete it, and because I've got a really busy, I've got to completely change my craft room around to another room in our house, and it's going to be very busy, but I'm hoping to do it in the evenings in my office. So anyhow, thank you for dropping by. Bye now.